Ataaka is a great guy and he has been doing it real. Unong good pam. And then enough to the world. I've listened to the album. Can me be share content said in bit as well. So album most come and kuna.
Wow.
You understand me? And then album I wake mom up to release some songs for people to know that yes, we have good songs for them.
Okay.
Other than the yo guys,
Okay, so like coming to support man, lately that in your flyer performing live. Is it that charge you have there and the don't women because I don't mind this time. You want to make yard. You can't wear it. You want to make yard.
I'm a busy guy. I'm not busy, but I have time for people I respect.
Okay.
Yes, I have time for people I respect. So I think you can leave it through time, leave it respect too.
Okay.
You get it?
All right, Boss Family and Double T. Promise something. What should we expect from you 2024?
Boss Family is fire.
Okay.
Boss Family is fire.
We want to like promise, and then the leaders step up. Can promise it to concert inside Ali Mama.
And release Bele Hami Swalala.
Okay.
And go and stream it. I'm going to be here. You know, say yes, I'm working hard. Yeah. And something great is coming.
Okay. So that is Double T for you. Now Dabala dance.
Like it to the tomb, because I'm born to heaven. Come on, how?